Welcome to Data Professionals, the channel where we dive into the world of data and its impact on our everyday lives. I'm your host, Prince. In today's episode, we'll take a deep dive into understanding who a data professional is and explore their roles in detail. We'll break this down into 5 segments to give you a comprehensive view. So, let's get started. Welcome to Segment 1, where we delve into the fundamental question, who is a data professional? Understanding this role is essential as we explore the various specializations within the data field in our upcoming segments. A data professional is an expert who transforms raw data into actionable insights that drive decision-making and strategic planning. Their work involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to solve problems and enhance organizational performance. These professionals combine technical skills with analytical prowess to manage data effectively. They use a variety of tools and techniques to handle data from its initial collection through to its final presentation and analysis. In this episode, we'll cover the key types of data professionals and the specific tools they use. From data analysts who generate actionable insights to data scientists who build predictive models, and data engineers who ensure data systems are robust and scalable, each role plays a crucial part in the data lifecycle. Understanding these roles will provide a comprehensive view of how data professionals contribute to different stages of data management and utilization. In the next segment, we'll break down the different types of data professionals, including data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and more, highlighting their roles and the tools they use. So, let's transition to Segment 2 to uncover the distinct roles within the data profession and the specialized tools that support their work. In Segment 2, we explore the various types of data professionals and the tools they use. Each role within the data field plays a unique part in the data lifecycle, contributing to the overall success of data-driven projects. First up, we have the data analyst. Picture a retail company aiming to enhance its marketing strategy. A data analyst uses tools like Excel for organizing and analyzing data, SQL for querying databases, and Power BI and Tableau for creating visual dashboards. They help uncover trends and customer preferences, driving more effective marketing campaigns. Next, let's move to the data scientist. Consider a healthcare organization wanting to predict patient readmission rates. Data scientists use Python with libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow, or R for advanced statistical analysis. Their predictive models offer valuable insights, improving patient care and resource allocation. Transitioning from analyzing data, we move to the role of the data engineer. For a tech company that needs to pull together data from various sources, data engineers rely on tools like MySQL Workbench for database management, Apache Spark for processing large datasets, AWS Redshift for data warehousing, and Airflow for managing workflows. Their work ensures that data is ready for analysis and decision-making. Next, we have data architects. Imagine a financial institution redesigning its data infrastructure. Data architects use Microsoft SQL Server and Snowflake to build scalable and secure data models. Their designs ensure that the organization's data systems support its strategic needs effectively. Following data architects, we focus on the role of the business intelligence, BI, analyst. For a marketing firm assessing digital campaign performance, BI analysts use Power BI and Tableau to create dashboards and reports. These tools provide insights into campaign effectiveness, helping refine marketing strategies and improve outcomes. As we transition to ensuring data quality and compliance, we come to data governance specialists. In regulated industries like healthcare, these specialists use tools like Collibra and Informatica to manage data policies and monitor data usage. Excel and Google Sheets also play a role in tracking governance processes and ensuring adherence to standards. Lastly, let's explore the role of data consultants. When a startup seeks guidance on its data strategy, data consultants offer expertise tailored to the organization's needs. They recommend tools like Tableau for data visualization and Python or R for in-depth analysis, providing strategic advice to help the startup build an effective data analytics setup. And don't forget the machine learning engineers. For an e-commerce platform aiming to enhance user experience with a recommendation system, machine learning engineers use TensorFlow and PyTorch to develop algorithms that offer personalized suggestions based on user behavior. Having explored these roles and tools, let's transition to segment 3, where we'll examine how data professionals contribute throughout the entire data lifecycle. In segment 3, we delve into how data professionals play a crucial role throughout the data lifecycle. Understanding this process highlights the comprehensive contributions of data experts from initial data design to actionable insights. The journey begins with designing models. Data professionals outline how data will be collected, processed, and analyzed. Tools like Microsoft SQL Server and Snowflake assist in data management, while Excel and Google Sheets are used for initial planning and organization. The next step is data collation, where data from various sources is gathered and integrated. Tools like MySQL Workbench and AWS Redshift are essential for managing and processing this data, with Google Sheets aiding in preliminary data cleaning. Once the data is collated, modeling involves creating representations of real-world processes. Data professionals use Power BI and Tableau for visualizing these models, while Looker provides additional data exploration capabilities. In the analysis phase, advanced statistical methods are applied. Python, with libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow, or R, is used for in-depth analysis. Power BI and Tableau help visualize the insights, while Looker offers interactive reports and dashboards. Data governance is crucial for ensuring data quality and compliance. Tools like Collibra and Informatica manage data policies and monitor usage, with Excel and Google Sheets used to track governance processes effectively. During the insights phase, data is interpreted to make actionable recommendations. Power BI and Tableau present these insights clearly, while Looker provides comprehensive dashboards for a deeper understanding. Finally, action-driven decisions are made based on these insights. Data professionals collaborate with stakeholders to implement strategies and continuously optimize processes. Python is used for refining models, Power BI for updating dashboards, and Looker for ongoing data monitoring. This entire cycle, from designing models and collating data to modeling, analyzing, governing, and deriving insights, demonstrates how data professionals leverage both historical and real-time data to advance organizations and society. Let's move to segment 4, where we'll discuss the essential skills and tools that data professionals need to navigate the data lifecycle effectively. To effectively navigate the data lifecycle, data professionals need a diverse set of skills and tools. Let's delve into the essential skills required and how various tools contribute to their effectiveness. Proficiency in tools like Excel and Google Sheets is fundamental for data manipulation, allowing professionals to organize and clean data efficiently. For database management, SQL remains a key skill, enabling data professionals to query and manage databases effectively. Advanced analysis often requires programming skills. Python and R are essential for performing complex statistical analyses and building predictive models. For presenting data insights, data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau are crucial, helping to create intuitive dashboards and reports. Data management and infrastructure are supported by tools such as MySQL Workbench and Snowflake. These tools help manage and scale data systems to ensure they meet organizational needs. Data governance is another critical area. Tools like Collibra and Informatica are used to ensure data quality, compliance, and effective data policy management. With a solid grasp of these skills and tools, data professionals can tackle a wide range of data-related challenges. Let's now explore segment 5, where we'll discuss career paths and opportunities available in the field of data. With a solid understanding of the skills and tools, let's turn our attention to the career paths and opportunities available in the field of data. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, there are numerous pathways and roles to explore. We'll discuss how to get started in the field, the benefits of pursuing certifications, and the types of roles that are in demand. This will help aspiring data professionals understand how to navigate their career and seize opportunities in this dynamic field. Career paths in data include roles like data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and more. Each role offers unique opportunities for growth and specialization. Certifications and continuous learning play a key role in advancing within these roles and staying updated with industry trends. So, if you're considering a career in data or looking to take your career to the next level, stay tuned for insights and guidance on how to make the most of your data journey. Today, we covered the various roles in the data profession, the tools they use, and their impact on the data lifecycle. From data analysis to data science, there are many opportunities in the field. We also highlighted the key skills and tools needed and explored career paths in data. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to our channel, leave a review, and share it with others. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.